Let's take another set of helpers. Now, in your house, you have lot of wooden furniture, lot of wooden thing. It can be anything. Let's name them doors, windows, table, shelves, and whatnot. Now, all the thing that is made out of wood, who makes it? What is the name of that person, that helper? Carpenter. A carpenter works with wood. He shapes the wood into tables and chairs and sofa and cupboard and doors and windows. He's a very good helper. What is the spelling of carpenter? Carpenter. Carpenter. Yes, you like carpenters? It's nice to watch them shape wood into things. Let's write. Carpenter. A carpenter. He works with wood and shapes them well. Let's write the C capital. Carpenter. Carpenter. Yes, and you look at the doors and the windows, tables, and chairs, and you feel so happy. Now, your house is new and the walls look lovely, different colors in different rooms. Who paints the wall for you? Paints the windows and makes it lovely. Painter. Daddy calls in a painter to help and puts lovely colors into your house. Painter. Now, you also can be a little painter. What do? You take paint and you paint lovely pictures. Yes? Spell painter. 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 Curd. Let's write. Painter. Painter. A painter paints your house, makes it bright and colorful. Let's write P capital. Painter. Painter. You like to be a painter too? Yes. Now, you go to school. Who is in the classroom? Teacher. Yes, teacher. Teacher. Every class, you get a new teacher. And you go to higher class, bigger class, for every subject. There is a teacher. Would you like to be a teacher? Who is your teacher in your house? Your mommy. First teacher. Spell teacher. 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 What does teacher teach you? Not only he helps you in your studies, teacher teaches you a lot of good things. Let's write. Teacher. Teacher. Teaches you manners, how to behave, how to study, how to write. Let's write the T capital. Teacher. Teacher. How do you help your teacher? By doing your lessons, completing your homework, listening and doing what she said. Then you become a very good child. Teacher. Now, mommy says, let's build a house. Who shall we call? Builder. What does the builder do? Comes, looks at the place and he makes plan. He calls other helpers and they build the house. Then you get a new house. Spell builder, Builder. Builder. Builders build houses. That's right. B U I L D E R. Builder. Let's write the B capital. B U I L D E R. Builders. Builders build houses, big houses, flats, and so on. Let's look at our four helpers we've written. Carpenter, Carpenter. Carpenter. Carpenter works with wood. He makes doors and windows, tables and chairs and cots, whatever furniture you like. Painter. Painter paints your house, makes your house look lovely. Painter. Painter. Teacher. Teacher helps you in your class to class, what to study, how to be a good child. The teacher tells you. Teacher. Teacher. When you want to build a house, you go to a builder and you look at the place, how nicely he builds the house. Builder. Builder. Let's take another set of helpers. You love to eat fish. Where do you get fish from? We get fish from the sea, river, pond. Wherever there are water bodies, there are fishes. Some people grow fish. Now, people go into big rivers, big oceans to catch fish. What do you call those people? Fisherman. Fisherman they have a very hard life. In any weather, they will go into the deep sea, get fish and bring for you. So they are our helpers. You want to eat lovely fish? You've got to have fisherman as a helper. So what is the helper's name? We are doing fisherman. 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 People who go and catch fish, they are called fisherman. Let's write. Fisherman. Fisherman. They're tough people, strong people. They know to swim. They take the boat and go. Let's write F capital. F I S H E R M A N. Fisherman. Fisherman brings what for us? Brings fish from the sea. Now, in your house, a number of people come, break the house and trouble you or take away things. Then what does daddy say? Let's call people who put things in order. What are they called? Policeman. Policeman will come and investigate who came in, who broke into the house. So policeman helps us when we are in trouble. Yes? Now there are different kinds of policemen. Policemen who catches thieves, policemen who drive you, take care of the road, the traffic. Yes? That's a traffic policeman. So now, policeman, let's write. Spell policeman. Policeman. Policeman is your friend, isn't it? Good, let's write. P I C E M A N. Policeman. He helps to keep order in the city. He takes care of anyone who is in trouble, to catch robbers. Let's write P capital. P O L I C E M A N. Policeman. Okay? Next. In summer, the houses that are very close to each other and is very hot, by mistake or sometimes from one house to the other, when you burn firewood in the house or cooking time, anything, house catch fire. Sometimes because of the short circuit, electricity, there is some problem, the building gets into, burns down, there's a big fire. Then what people will do, they'll call up the fireman. They call a fireman and they come and put out the fire. Spell fireman, Fireman, fireman. When the fire engine comes, it's red in color and there's a bell. People must move out so that he can reach the place quickly. Let's write Fireman. Fireman. Let's write F capital. Fireman. Fireman helps to put out big fires and save people. Next, in the morning, you drink milk. Yes? And mommy makes lovely coffee. What do you need? Milk. You need milk. Now, how does milk come to your house? Milkman or milk lady, milkwoman. Milkman brings packets of milk and drops at your door. And you take the milk, open the packet, and you boil and drink. Spell milkman, Milkman, milkman. In the villages, the cows are brought to the door. The milkman milks and gives mommy the milk. But you see, most of the time, only milk in bottles and packets. Let's write milkman. Milkman. Milkman brings milk to our house. Let's write M capital. M I L K M A N. Milkman. Let's look at the four helpers we have written. First, fisherman. He goes to the sea, brings fish for you, and you go to the market and buy them. Fisherman, fisherman. Policeman keeps order in the city, in the town. Somebody breaks the house, somebody robs the house, policeman helps us. Policeman, policeman. Fireman, if there is fire in the building or fire in any house, the fireman rushes in to put out fire and save people. Fireman, fireman. In the morning, someone brings milk to the door. Milkman. Milkman. Milkman.